Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. So today we will have a short video, and agenda for today's video is that we are going to analyze Bank Nifty, and we are going to find some stocks which we are going to add, or which we are going to see if we can add into our portfolio for the coming weeks. So let's get started. So right now we are on a Bank Nifty chart, and here it is a monthly candle. What you can see, this is a monthly chart. The trend is an uptrend. So as you can see, this month's candle is still at a 50% candle, which is retracing from the levels which we have drawn in the past. So these were the levels which we have drawn, and we can see that market is getting rejected from these levels, and there is a downfall from there. So this is on a monthly time frame. Let's go to a weekly time frame and see how does it look and what is it going to say for us. So here exactly the lines which we have drawn on a monthly chart are coinciding with the levels on a weekly chart as well. Here you can see this was a double top trade, complete double top. Whenever the market reached to its previous peak, you can expect a fall from here, and market fell from there. But the market has taken a support at this level, because this was the previous level where it has gone and taken the support. So again the market came into this level, so this power was still there and it was getting bought at this level. So all the selling got absorbed here, and this 50% candle depicts that bears were not successful in pulling the market down here. Okay, so this week it is creating a 50% candle where nobody actually won. Bears didn't win, nor the bulls. So we can expect certain kind of a movement. If next week a green candle forms from this level and crosses this level, then we can expect the market will resume and break this level. But we have to analyze this on a daily time frame and see what indication we are getting from this level. So if you go to a daily time frame, so this was the fall, super trend was broken, and this was a fall. This was a bullish sign, and later here there is a confusion in the market. Bears and bulls are fighting for the levels which they have to take. But we have to notice one thing, that it has already reached to this super trend level, and from there the rejection has started. Now if the trend wants to continue, as you can see the trend is downtrend, we are going by the super trend. If it wants to continue this way, it can open here and come down from this level like this. This can be the candle which it can form. If there is too much of positivity, because I am looking at this volume which is coinciding with this candle, and you can see that the volume was also pretty high, more than the average. So usually whenever you have seen these kind of candles forming in the past, let's try to find out. We need to see fall, and then a candle like this, then again a fall, then again a fall. So something similar might take place, and overall market we have to check what are the Nifty 50 stocks doing and how is their trend. As per my analysis, most of the stocks are in red now, and they have broken their weekly trend, and I am expecting this to come down a little bit into this zone, but this is a very critical zone. This is the zone you need to mark, and it can drop in further into this zone. See, this is a touch of the zone. It went up, it can drop into this, and it can completely enter the zone. Again it can go out. There is always a possibility here. Okay, so this is about Bank Nifty. Now we should go and find out if we are able to get some stocks. I am going to use charting for this, and I will go to my dashboard scans and see if there is any weekly super trend break which we can capture. So as of now we don't see anything in the futures segment. Let's see if we can find something in the cash segment. So if you're not finding any stocks which crossed above weekly super trend, then it definitely indicates that a lot of stocks may be crossed below. See, I was right. As you can see, there is so many stocks which crossed below in futures segment. That means there is definitely possibility that market is going to drop from here. So these are all short candidates, and they have given an entry which includes your HDFC, Coal India, DV Slabs, Nifty itself, Kotak Bank. So on a weekly super trend is broken, and then the market can go down further from there. Nevertheless, we will analyze and see if we can find some more stocks. Let's see if we can find anything on 3 super trends. So 3 super trends also is not giving an entry, because here we are using 3 super trends and market has to give an opportunity. Here also we don't see any opportunity. So mostly it looks as if it's a bear market now. Weekly super trend, if I change this to below, see, we have about 20 stocks, all Nifty 50 stocks, which are showing a negative trend. So let's go and analyze, if I can find, where is the market watch? Let's look at Nifty 100 stocks. So I have taken about big trade plus list, and let's quickly analyze what are we looking for. We are looking for stocks which are just breaking above super trend and giving us an entry on a daily time frame. So this is a daily time frame chart. So we have to see an entry like this on the upward side where the super trend is giving an entry. So let's see how many stocks we can find out like that. ACC, no, short. Adani is near the super trend but short. Amar Raja is giving a short entry. Adani Ports is also not giving an entry. This is already short position. Apollo Hospitals is sideways. Apollo Tires has given a short entry on a daily time frame. Ashok Leyland short entry. Asian Paints definitely already short. Auro Pharma, it's a long entry, but we have to wait for a confirmation here. Auro Pharma. Axis Bank, we have to wait for a confirmation here. Bajaj Auto, wait. Bajaj Finance, wait. Balkrishna Industries short entry. Bank of Baroda short entry. Bank Nifty is in shorts. Tata India short, BAIL short, Bharat Force short, Bharti Airtel short, BHL short, Biocon is definitely short, BPCL short entry, Cadila Health short entry, Canara Bank, we have to wait, Cipla, wait, Coal India, wait, Coalpal is giving us an entry, guys. Here there is a good long entry position, okay, but it is in a zone, sideways zone, so we need to wait for a confirmation trade here. Here this is a 50% candle which has formed. We have to wait for a confirmation. Another green candle forms, then we can definitely enter in this. So note Coalpal down, Concur, no, the stopping tail bar is not giving any signs. It can fall also. Cummins India, Cummins is given a nice bar, and this was a pullback from the super trend, and it is still continue to go up. So this can be also a good entry point. So Cummins and Coalpal, Dabur short entry, Davis Lab short, DLF short, so these are high liquid and high capital funded stocks. Eicher Motors short, Escort short, Exide short, Federal Bank still wait, Landmark short, Gale short, Godrej CP short, Grasim is one strong stock which is going up consistently, but here 1, 2, 3 times it got rejected at this level, so we can expect it to fall. Havels, oh, huge short, HCL Tech short, HDFC Bank short, HDFC Life sideways, Hero Motocorp falling, Hindalco short, Hind Petro still short, Hindustan Unilever is also short, ICICI Bank, we have to wait. If this breaks, then it's a good entry, we can buy. So ICICI Bank, you have to note down. ICICI Pro short, IGL is short, Indigo is short, IndusInd Bank is giving an entry, but we have to wait for a confirmation of this super trend crossover. At least PSR should come down. Indus Tower short, Infi short, IOC is bullish, ITC short, JSW no entry short, Kotak Bank short, Kotak Bank is a short, L&T Finance is short, LIC Housing Finance is also short, it is also short. Few more stocks, we are getting a grip of the market here. You can understand that everything is giving short entry, so why will the overall index go up? It will not. Muthoot Finance is also short, Nifty short, NMDC short, TPC short, Page India short, Pidilite is also short, PNB short, Reliance is definitely an exit short, SBI Life. So it looks like BRs are in control of the market right now, and don't expect the market to go up on Monday. It's a clear sign because I don't see any of the stocks are showing positive strength. Everything is under the super trend or it's at a reversal point. This is definitely short. And I think the market has changed its direction. You have to look out for short trades now. And it is very clear that this entire list of stocks which you have seen, highly liquid and high contribution of these stocks in index, is going to impact the index. So I think you have to play safe and find strategies where you can capture the downward moment. So let's wait for that, and I am expecting the market to go down further from this level and come back into this level, 29,800 levels for Bank Nifty. So that's it, guys. This is for this week, and let's catch up next week and have a great weekend.